Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore 4 essential Excel functions: sum, average, min, and max. These functions are the building blocks for calculations in Excel, making your spreadsheets powerful and efficient. Let's dive right in. Let's calculate the total cost using the sum function. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear. Let's use B7. Type the formula. Equals sum, B2, B6. This tells Excel to add all the numbers from B2 to B6. Press Enter, and voila! Your total appears. To find the average cost, click on the cell where you want the result, say B8. Type the formula. Equals average. B2, B6. This calculates the average of all the values in the range. Hit Enter, and Excel shows you the average cost. What if you want to find the smallest expense? Easy. In cell B9, type equals min. B2, B6. This function gives you the minimum value in the range. Press Enter, and Excel shows the smallest cost. Similarly, if you want to find the largest expense, use the max function. Click on B10 and type equals max. B2, B6. Press Enter, and there you have it, the maximum value in the range. To make your table more presentable, let's format it. Bold the headers and calculated values. Change the header background to light green and results background to light yellow for better clarity. In just a few steps, you've learned to use Excel's sum, average, min, and max functions. These are essential tools for analyzing data quickly and efficiently. Make sure to practice these on your own dataset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.